Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be diving into some amazing holiday product ideas, especially for the Redbubble, because I have did a poll on my community tab and most of the people were saying that they want the print-on-demand tips and tricks and also especially the Redbubble. So here I am. I'm gonna be talking about some amazing product ideas, and also some of them are quite underrated and you could make amazing designs for these products to get more money, to make more money in these upcoming holidays. So let's dive in. Before we go past, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be get notified about it. Also we have a bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section, download it. It contains a full commercial license. Also we are soon going to start with an exclusive email newsletter that will going to be delivered you each and every week in your email inbox. Amazing content related to making money online as a creative person, as a print-on-demand seller, and so much more will going to be covered in that email newsletter. It's 100% free. Right now it's on wait list, so make sure you subscribe to it. The link is in the description box below. Once we get started with that, we're going to send you an email. Let's talk about today's video, because the moment the holiday comes and I am like so excited, yes. And also talking about the holiday product ideas that is related to our own business, that is a print on demand, is quite exciting and quite fun way to go with that. It doesn't makes me feel like I'm doing my job. It makes me feel like I'm enjoying. I am actually enjoying the process and I'm loving the process. So today I was thinking, I was just looking at my community tab and I was going through the people's the polls, what they are going for, and I see that most of the people want print-on-demand tips and tricks, and some of them also want the holiday, and most of them are focusing on the Redbubble, because I also did that poll talking about the different platform on which you are focusing, and most of the people voted for the Redbubble. So I'm going to be specifically covering those products which are completely catering to the Redbubble. The first product idea that I see is quite underrated and it's amazing gift idea could be for the holidays and you could hop on is the Tote bag. Tote bag sells amazingly well, especially at the time of the Christmas, because people send the gifts to the loved ones. Like if you are on the Jazzle, there is a separate section for the Tote bag for the bridesmaid's gift, for the groomsmen's gift, or something around those corners, and Tote bag have a different kinds of designs, textures, and even all those kind of patterns are there. So it's the same as the thing of the Tote bag on the Redbubble. Redbubble also has this product and not many people utilize it. People think that do bags actually sells, but yes, they do sell and people do buy them. So you could have a beautiful code-based, text-based design or maybe illustration on the Tote bag that could represent the holiday design, the Christmas, the snow, the winter, New Year, Thanksgiving and Halloween and all that kind of holidays, and you could cater them. The second product idea that I have for you is notebook. Now notebook is not underrated, or maybe, I don't know, but yes, people also do target the notebook because people buy the notebooks, and notebook is an amazing gift idea for their loved ones. Like if you're in the business of carrying a low and no content book, you definitely know that people do buy the blank journals, line journals, and they give them, especially catering to the cover. They see the book cover. If that notebook cover or book cover is exciting, then they're gonna buy it and they're gonna send that gift as to their loved ones. So notebook will going to sell amazingly well in the holidays. So make your designs according to the cover, because the cover needs to be attractive. It needs to be related to holiday if you are targeting the niches, especially to the holiday. But keep in mind that the holidays are kind of like an trending. Once the trend is gone, then it will going to go back to normal. That's weird about the trending design. That's weird about the holidays, that when it's about to come, we are so excited about it, and when it's gone, we feel like, oh, it's gone. But anyways, guys, you could target the various different niches related to a notebook. It's not just about the holiday niches. You could target the various different kinds of the animal niches, floral niches, or textures, backgrounds, patterns, or even a simple text-based design. A notebook could be an amazing gift idea. Now on the Redbubble, they have the spiral notebooks, and another category is the hardcover journals. You could take both these in the one category and can make a book cover or make a cover of that notebook or a hardcover journal according to your niche to get them more sales. do it, guys. These are some products people left it. People just mainly focusing on the t-shirts or masks or even on the stickers and some more 2 or 3 products, and they'll leave the other products in the background thinking that it won't be selling, doesn't sell. The Redbubble is all about the t-shirts and the stickers, but that's not the case. Other products also sell, and you never know when that product will actually going to sell. You will never going to know until you have actually published all your designs for all the products. So go on, do that right now. Another product that I have for you is water bottles. Now water bottles are quite underrated. Only 39,000 search results on the Redbubble. That's all. People don't even publish the design thinking that water bottle doesn't sell, so they don't upload the design on the water bottle, and only 39 products are there. That means it's quite underrated, and water bottle will going to sell. Not just for the kids, not for just the school and college guys. It's also going to be selling for the people as well who need a water bottle when they are going for some kind of sports or for some kind of meeting. They would need a water bottle at their home. So it could be an amazing gift idea. You could have an amazing beautiful quote on a water bowl, an inspiring quote, a text-based design, a beautiful floral illustration, or a Christmas-based design, whatever it is, and people will going to send them as a gift to the loved ones because they need gifts. Christmas and holidays is all about the people needing the gifts to send it to the loved ones. If they see a beautiful design, beautiful text-based or floral, whatever it is, they're gonna buy it, guys. Don't think that these product doesn't sell. They also sell, but the people don't. Most of the shops don't utilize it well, so that's why these items are quite underrated. So if you haven't optimized your design for the water bottle, make sure you do it right now because the holiday, this is the last month. That's why I'm covering the major videos related to the holiday product ideas in this September, because September is the last month. We'll be going to starting with our holidays from the October till the December. So make sure you don't miss out this train because once it's gone, then you have to wait for an entire year, for another year to come for these holidays. So don't miss out. Optimize according to your strength, according to your goals and dreams, and do it. Another product that I have for you is pins or buttons, you can call it. Pins and buttons sells amazingly well on the Jazzle. Now these are not the high ticket product or high ticket offer, but they do sell, because they are kind of like representing a group member or representing a party. People want that badges or kind of like a pin which they hang or somewhere there. If they have the magnet, then they could hang it somewhere, and people do buy it. Like I could say at the time of that June or July, I don't remember exactly, but at the time of that Pride month, people were buying a lot of the pins, a lot of the buttons, especially from the Jazzle, because they want to represent the idea of being unity and that creativity and all that related to that Pride month. So people were focusing on that. That's why that kind of product was selling at that time as pins. According to it, guys, it's really important that you optimize all your design. I've been talking a lot about these things in my videos, guys, so take it seriously so to make actually good amount of money. Let's talk about the last product that I have for this video is postcards. Now postcards are not that underrated. People do utilize it, but postcards are amazing. It's an amazing way to express love, to feelings, or to even give some kind of like announcement, some kind of notification. So people do buy the postcards. If you go on the Jazzle, I have been more familiar with the Jazzle because I'm not currently on the Redbubble. I'm not selling currently on the Redbubble. I used to. It's a long story, guys. And if you've been following me so far, you very well know why I'm not selling on Redbubble. And if you want to know more about it, I'm going to leave some videos in the card section above. You can check it out. But guys, I'm more familiar with the Jazzle, and I see that postcards work as an announcement, maybe a birthday announcement or kind of like a birth announcement or anything like that. People do send the postcards to their loved ones, to the family members, to the relatives, and they were going to send the postcards to the loved ones as well on this Christmas as a Merry Christmas, as a Happy Holidays or a Happy New Year or a Happy Halloween. So they would be buying the postcards. So postcards are a great idea for these holidays, and it's a low ticket offer, guys, but you can very well utilize it. Like, why you need to leave the product just because it's a low ticket offer, just because it sells at slow rate? No, that's not the reason. Of course, if that's what the case, you wasn't leaving the sticker behind. We do sell a sticker a lot because these are the products that people purchase, and these are also the low ticket offers, but people do buy it and we do optimize it. So make sure you optimize your design for the postcards as well, related for the holiday niches if you're targeting them. Do let me know in the comment section below about your holiday preparation for your holidays. Do let me know, are you preparing your holiday, your shops for the holidays, for these upcoming ones or not? Do let me know in the comment section below what kind of video you want to watch, guys, because I'll be focusing more on the holidays in this September to prep our shops for the holidays, and also talking about different ways in which you can make money, not just about the print on demand, not just about the KDP, not just about the Creative Fabrica. So do let me know if you have anything to say in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.